On the occasion of National Consumer Rights Day, which is celebrated every year on 24th of December, we congratulate 140 billion people of India with the message of hope and rights for all consumers in their marketplaces. It is an important day for all of us, as we know that we are transforming ourselves into a digital mode, and we are extremely thankful to Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India, for keeping the theme as virtual hearing and digital access to consumers. This is easing consumers availing of their rights through consumer forums, consumer courts, which is the one of the leading practices in the global sphere, where India today is supposed to be aligned with the best practices for resolving all consumer disputes. The consumer courts are easily accessible, unlike civil courts, and today the consumers can file documents virtually, can appear virtually, and also argue virtually against the brands for which they have complaints. And the importance of this particular day is that it reminds us all that we have a central ministry, Department of Consumer Affairs, looking after the issues of consumers with the right earnest, and also reminds us of the amendment to the Consumer Protection Act in 2019, where an important body called the Central Consumer Protection Authority was created and mandated with resolving consumer issues with penal provisions, with provisions for search and seizures, and many other provisions like class action. This body, as a regulatory framework, emboldens consumers to raise their voices against brands, against malpractices in the marketplace, and we sincerely hope at Consumer Voice that consumers will be largely benefited from this National Consumer Rights Day, which is being celebrated at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi tomorrow. And on behalf of all of us, we extend the warmest wishes to all participants of this event across the country who are celebrating Consumer Rights Day in their respective areas or geographic locations. So congratulations again on National Consumer Rights Day.